Today we're grilling up a beef omelet at the pit, and it's real easy to do. All right, streams, jungle, mountains, you're at the camp. Good living don't get any better than this. All right, getting a fire going. I see he's got some charcoal in there as well. Oh, yeah. And looks like he's got a decent knife there. It's got multi-purpose, splits wood, defends the camp. Ooh. All right, this is gonna be good. Yeah, multi-purpose knife, right? Chops wood, slices veggies. And here he's got some vinegar and soy sauce going in. Ah, yeah. That's gonna go in the omelet. I like that idea right off. Now, I see he's got a tomato there, making some thin slices. Simple enough. And here's a king oyster mushroom. You might be familiar with these. They're great eating, I'll tell you what. Slicing it up fairly thin. I see he's got the good fire going there. He's putting a cast iron pan on top. Here he's got some bacon. Yeah, you gotta have some bacon in the omelet, right? Guess he'll cook that down a bit. Now, you'll be able to get the exact ingredients and quantities by heading over to our website, barbecuepitboys.com. Of course, you know that. Now, he's throwing the mushrooms in there. Cook them down a bit, too. Yeah. Add a little bit more olive oil in there with the bacon fat. And of course the guard dog hanging out just in case the critters come in, try to steal his food, right? That's what it's about. All right, bacon and mushrooms are done. And here he's thrown in that beef, right? It's a prime beef. You can tell with all the marbling in there. He's going to sear those up, and he's going to add some of our SPG. And you can get our SPG on our website if you're interested, and we appreciate your support. All right, the beef is cooked. It's medium rare for sure. It's a fine piece of beef. Don't overcook it, all right? Throwing it back in that cast iron pan there. Searing it up just a little bit more. Oh, can you smell that? It smells good. All right. All right. He's got that beef done the way he wants it. Nice. And he's putting a cover on just to keep it nice and warm, because this is an omelet. Takes the charcoal and adds it to the other pit he's got going. Simple enough. Probably got about a medium heat in there now. And now he's got a steel pan. Yeah, we always keep a few steel pans around. They're great to have at the pit. Now, in go the eggs. Might be a dozen. You head over to our website and we can get you the exact amount of eggs we're using here. And of course, adding a little bit more of our SPG. We appreciate your support by purchasing our SPG. And it's the original and only SPG. There are imposters out there, be careful. All right, whisking up the eggs with a big whisk. That'll work on ostrich eggs too, I think. Perfect. Nothing like hanging at the pit, right? Cooking up some good food. All right. Let's say he's ready to start making the egg omelet here. He's pouring in some olive oil and adding a tablespoon of butter, maybe a little bit more to it. That sweetens it up, gives it a nice flavor for that omelet. All right. Now, often this is the most difficult part, right, making an omelet. But he's got the perfect temperature, right? And he can adjust his heat by raising that pan up or down a little bit. Are you getting hungry or what? And if you're not, you're on the wrong damn channel. All right, you can see the eggs are firming up a bit. Now he's adding some shredded cheese. Yeah, you gotta have the cheese with the omelet, right? Continues to let it set up, and now he's adding the bacon. Then goes some mushroom, the beef. Oh yeah. And this is a slow cook, like I said. He's got plenty of time to manage the egg. Loading it up. Now, this is no ordinary omelet, as you can tell. You're not going to get this at a fast food joint. Now he's adding some of those fresh red onions there. Nice. Just putting them on raw. You could cook them down a little bit if you wanted to. In goes the tomato for a little added moisture. And, of course, this is the most difficult part here, right? But it looks perfect. Perfect texture. Oh yeah, this is what it's all about, right? Probably let it cool a little bit, and now he's slicing it up to pieces. And I'd say this is where he's apologizing for eating in front of you like this, but we call this pitmaster privilege. So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.